Hello and welcome to another Outtake video. It's been about 3 weeks since I unwrapped the first of these 4 packages. Today I want to unwrap this one, which is a used mini disc, which is from Japan, originally from Japan, and I'm going to do this 5-pack of unused Japanese only mini discs and these 2 cassettes in future videos. So make sure you are subscribed please and click the notification bell to get notifications of my next videos. So the reason I'm doing this now is I've got a playlist that I want to put onto a mini disc. So I thought it'd be nice to have this one. Been away for a week, and obviously the week before you go away and the week after you go away is always super busy. So this should be quite a quick video. That is a really messy case which I'll sort out later on. Try that later, but it is one of these. It's quite hard for the camera to focus on it, really. Even that's a bit dusty, isn't it? Is that underneath? Yeah. They look better in the. It looked better in the photo on eBay. It was £5. The camera's having terrible trouble focusing. But I think that's on the front of it. Alright, let's get the Mr. Sheen out. There we go, Mr. Sheen to the rescue. It's had a good dust off on the front, a bit of polish. So this dust must be on the inside. There we go, I've given it a blowout and that dust is still on the inside. I can't do anything about that. But the disc itself looks to be in good condition. It's really hard for it to focus, unfortunately. But yeah, so what it is, I think, is there's some sellers on eBay now which are getting job lots of discs in from Japan directly, and they're selling them an increased price on eBay, which I don't mind, but £5 is quite a lot to pay for one disc. It was very pretty. That would be nice. So the playlist I want to put on there is probably my favourites from the last couple of months, so it'd be nice to use that one for that playlist. So I'm going to shoot the other 2 videos now, but just how it's seen the top of this case. It's got some writing on it, Japanese I would guess, so that's further proof of its authenticity. So let me just get this and see if there's anything actually on the disc. Yeah, we've got some music. No track titles though, so let me hook up a speaker and we'll have a quick listen. Yeah, these are English language lessons for Japanese speakers to learn English, I think.
Lesson 20.
Lesson 20.
Let's look and listen. Steps 1 and 2.
Yeah, I think that's enough of that. Hopefully I won't get a copyright strike. So this is going to be erased, ready for my playlist. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.
Lesson 20.
Yes, English language. Oh, for fuck's sake.